Hi everyone, this is Josh today, and today we're here with my another video, and today I'm going to talk about another big problem. Everyone hears today that we are going crazy with coronavirus all over the part of the world, and it is driving us crazy. People are going nuts, people are buying hand sanitizer, people are buying groceries, markets are out, so what we can do? So in this video, I am going to show you today a trick. You can make a hand sanitizer at home by things that you already have at home. Yes, you heard it right. You can make hand sanitizer by things you already have it at home. And I'm going to go one by one today with ingredients. Just a little disclaimer that this ingredients, if you are allergic, don't use these ingredients for the hand sanitizer. I will try to give you alternative formula for that if it's possible, but again, this is not a professional video and I'm not a professional doctor that making a product. I am only trying to help people. They can make something that they can do some hand sanitizer use for their hands or other body parts probably, but it's only for external use, not for internal. So let's go ahead and we can make the first one. So guys, step one, the most important thing, we need ingredients. And I'll tell you one thing. I have seen other videos where people are actually using aloe vera gel, 100% alcohol solution to make this hand sanitizers. But I'll tell you that these are common things that you can get around the house. Again, aloe vera, when I went to the market, there was no aloe vera gel, no hand sanitizer, but I'll tell you, there's an alternative to that. You can use aloe vera, the real aloe vera extract. I'm going to show you. This is the ingredient one. Look, so this is an aloe vera, the real plant. We can use this to extract and real gel to make a hand sanitizer. This will be our ingredient one. Our ingredient second, we can use any of the aloe vera or any of the body wash if you don't want to use water, okay, to make it a little bit thicker. Our third one is our alcohol. So people try to use 100% alcohol, and so we don't work in a lab, so we don't have that sitting around the house. So we can use any alcohol, which is about 40%. So I can recommend vodka or tequila, which is mostly transparent alcohol. We can use one of these, okay? This can be very handy, and I'm sure a lot of you have it. We can use any of the oils that can be used in oil house. We can use lavender oil, rose oil, any of this that can be used, okay? Another one, the second last one is the lotion, moisturizing lotion. This is gonna be needed. And the last one is we're gonna be using a beaker, the measuring beaker. And I forget one of them, that we can use a pair of gloves as well, because a lot of people can be allergic to alcohol or oil. So we can use the gloves to make for the entire process. So these are some things that we can use it. Aloe vera especially, we can get it either from the market, it's very cheap to the plant, or a lot of our neighbors have this. You can cut it, ask the neighbor, and bring it. So let's go ahead and start the process of making our hand sanitizer today. Go ahead. Alright guys, so I'm here with step 2. My gloves are on, and we took the extract for that aloe vera I showed you earlier. So here's the extract for the aloe vera, and this is about 300 ml, and I am focusing on making about 900 ml of hand sanitizer today. 900 ml is a lot. That's gonna last you over 6 months, maybe more. And once you make that, I think you're set. So now we have a shot glass we're gonna use, and we're gonna use our vodka right now. We're gonna use about, let's say, about 240 ml of vodka. Why is that? I'll tell you. We have 40% of alcohol in this vodka and 40% of, let's say, so this is about 300 ml and 40% of 600 is about 240 ml. So I'm gonna pour here about 240 ml. So one shot glass about 30 ml here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. So, and this is about 100 ml. And let's see, next 1, 2, 3. Okay, another 100 ml of vodka and about one more cup, about 40. Okay, so guys, about 240. I'm gonna go ahead and try to mix it a bit, so it can the texture can get a little bit thick, because when we're gonna use rest of our products here, our body lotion, our oil, then we need it a little bit thick texture already. Okay. Anyways, so next we can go ahead and use our so 900 ml. So we used about 240 ml of our liquor here. So 300 plus 240 is 540, and 900 minus 540 is about 360 left. So we're gonna use this moisturizing lotion, about 200 ml of that. Okay, so let's see. You can use the same shot glass. 200 ml. It's gonna be a lot, so let's try. Actually, I'm gonna try. Let's about 150 of it. It's filling up shot glass pretty quick. I know this is kind of sounds a lot, but the texture, if we don't put it, it's gonna be too light when we put it on our hands, and all we gonna feel is alcohol if we don't put it about 200 ml here. So that's why we need it here. Okay, and we're almost done with this. Okay, this is almost done. It's about 200 ml. Okay, so we are here about 200 ml, and we also need to put about 150 of our body lotion that we used. I'm going to take out and go ahead and pour it in. So this is about 150. Okay, so you see it's about getting close to 800, right? You can tell right now. And now the last part, we get about 40 or 50 of our oil. This is the oil, we use it for the fragrance, because this is gonna smell a little weird, so we're gonna put a little bit of oil here. Okay, Okay, this aloe vera. Now, keep in mind that we did put a lot of moisturizing, a lot of this body wash oil, and a little bit of that thick oil that we use here. And like I said, you could use lavender and any other. This is gonna help you just smell better. When you mix this well, this is gonna when you put it on your hand, this is gonna be actually like a hand sanitizer. When you rub it enough, this is gonna be enough. So let's move on to last step. Hi guys, so we're at step 3 and our solution is ready, hand sanitizer. Because of the viscosity of aloe vera, it's very thick. I suggest you that we can, in the end, we can put it in a blender and we can give it a shake. It's gonna come up very nice. But I didn't give it a shake, and I'm gonna show it to you. It's almost about 900 ml, and look at this. This will be little bit thick like this, but look, I'm gonna put it on my hand, and look, this is gonna go away right here, and it is almost like a hand sanitizer. I will not tell you that it will kill 100% of all the bacteria, but 90%. This will work because it has about 40% of alcohol. And if you are able to make something like that at home, this will be very good. I have given you something today to proceed with for hand sanitizer. Don't go out crazy because you don't have hand sanitizers. You can make it at home, and this is a lot. And I'm gonna put it in a bottles, big bottles, small bottle of hand sanitizer. Don't throw it away. Use this to fill it. Take it at your work. Take it outside. This I am pretty sure it should work. It's better than having nothing. So anyhow, take care. Subscribe and turn on the bell for my other videos, and I will be getting out new videos soon. Take care. Goodbye. I'll see you again. Good night.